Voila. Hey y'all, it's me, Yatte Latte, and welcome to the closet. This is the space where we do some fashion talks, I give you some style advice, and you know, we do the thing. So this is how I normally wear it. I just tie it like this. This is also a very long coat, right? So the only downside with this coat is that the neck is very open, and as you guys know, it is very cold and windy here in Canada when it gets to winter. So what I want to do is actually close the top here. So I'm going to be adding a hook and eye. So I already purchased the hook and eye, and I'm going to like make it so that there's a hook here and then an eye like maybe under here, so that I can actually like hook the top close, so that instead of this whole area being opened, I have like a shorter opening. I could just put a short scarf, or if I'm wearing a turtleneck, we're okay. So this is where, actually I don't really need to use the pin while I'm wearing it, because if this is the inside folded, then it's just this line here, and luckily the pattern like works all the way around, so we just want to line up the blues. Again, we want to make sure that it lines up the blue line here, about lined up. That's all I need to then sew this in. All right, y'all, so for the results, you can see the hook here, and then you can see the eye here, right? So I stitched them both on, right? Let's see. Oops. All right, so you see they're hooked. Then I'm gonna just tuck this in. Voila. All right, it's like a whole new jacket, right? Everything is in place, it's flat. Obviously the neck now is like no longer as exposed. Everything ties well, so we're in business. It cost me $3.29. It was a pack of 2. So for $3.29 plus some thread and a needle, I was able to transform the look of this jacket. So I hope you guys found this to be helpful.